everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this jumping dolphin figurine using polymer clay and UV resin. So let's get started. For the colour of the dolphin I'm using blue agate, which is a Fimo effect quartz colour. Firstly make it into a ball and then roll it onto your work surface to create a point on one end. Bend down the point slightly and then this is going to be for the tail. To shape the face, I'm just very gently pinching the clay to create the snout. For the fin on the back, I'm creating a bent triangle using the handle of one of my tools to help shape it. I trimmed off the end and then I blended this onto the back of the body using my needle tool. For the other two fins, I made a diamond shape. I cut it in half on an angle with my blade and then I attached one on either side. To make the tail, you want to take two balls of your clay and then shape them so that you kind of make like a mustache, I guess. Then just go ahead and add this onto the pointed end of the body. For the belly, I'm using a pearl coloured clay and making a flat teardrop shape. You can then create two indents with a dotting tool where you want the eyes to go and then add in some balls of black clay. Once you're happy with your dolphin, you can then bake it in your oven according to the package's instructions. So for the base of my figurine, I'm using a seashell, but you could even use something like a bottle cap or even make a base out of clay. For the water, I'm using UV resin, which I'll leave a link down below for. I'm colouring it with the tiniest amount of blue dye just to add a light blue tinge to it, and I'm using a toothpick to do this and I'm stirring it in until it's all evenly spread out. Then pour a layer into your base and then you can also add some small decorations like I did. I just took some star sand and sprinkled it in, a small seashell and as well as some fake moss. Take a small section of glad wrap or cling film, whatever you call it, and place one end into the resin before curing it with a UV light or out in the sun. Once the resin is hard and your glad wrap is securely in place, take some more of the blue resin and cover it over the bottom half of the glad wrap and then cure that as well. Then want to slightly bend over the top half of the glad wrap and then also cover it with the UV resin and harden it with a UV light. Once all of the resin is cured, you can trim off the excess glad wrap with your scissors. It's now time to add the dolphin, which will be sticking to the top of the water. So using the UV resin as a glue, add some to the very top and then position your dolphin on. You'll need to hold it steady in place as you cure the resin to make sure that it stays nice and secure. Once it's properly stuck on, add some additional resin where the dolphin and the glad wrap meet for extra reinforcement, and then you can also glaze your dolphin to finish the piece off. And then that's everything for this tutorial. If you enjoyed learning how to make this jumping dolphin figurine, please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!